Welcome back to the channel where I bring you the best product recommendations to help make your everyday life easier. Today we are looking at the top iRobot Roomba models that deliver powerful cleaning performance, smart navigation, and real convenience for your home. If you are searching for a reliable robot vacuum, these options offer strong value, impressive features, and trusted performance. Let's take a look at the top picks. We have included links in the description. Number 1. iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Wash Dock, extending spinning mop pads, self-empties, pad wash and heated drying, self-cleaning, recognizes and avoids obstacles, LiDAR navigation. The iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo is designed for homeowners who want powerful vacuuming and advanced mopping in one automated system. This model features extending spinning mop pads that reach further into corners, allowing it to scrub hard floors with consistent pressure and motion. Its combined vacuum and mop system lets it transition smoothly from carpets to hard surfaces, while the suction power lifts dirt, hair, and daily debris with ease. The Roomba Plus 505 also supports self-cleaning behavior, reducing the need for hands-on maintenance. Its LiDAR navigation creates precise maps of the home and helps the robot clean in organized paths. The system recognizes objects and avoids obstacles with advanced detection technology. This robot vacuum and mop combo is suitable for homes with pets, children, and busy schedules. It offers multiple cleaning modes, scheduling options, and strong edge performance. Because the auto wash dock handles key maintenance steps, the homeowner spends less time prepping and more time enjoying clean floors. With extended reach mop pads, powerful suction, and advanced obstacle detection, the Roomba Plus 505 delivers dependable, automated cleaning that is easy to manage through the app. Number 2. iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum with Auto Empty Dock, self-empties for 75 days, easy to use, intense power lifting suction, LiDAR navigation, multi-surface cleaning, cleans in neat rows. The iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum is built for users who want powerful floor cleaning without the task of emptying the dustbin after every run. This model comes with the Auto Empty Dock, which allows the vacuum to store debris for up to 75 days. This removes the need for frequent manual emptying and makes it more convenient for people with pets, large households, or daily debris buildup. Its LiDAR navigation helps the robot move in neat rows, creating clean lines across the room and ensuring complete coverage of large and small spaces. The mapping system allows the unit to work in an organized pattern instead of random motions. This improves efficiency and reduces missed areas. Multi-surface cleaning technology helps the vacuum adjust to different flooring types without manual input. It can move from tile to carpet or wood to area rugs while maintaining strong suction and brush contact. The durable rubber brushes help reduce tangles and maintain steady cleaning across the home. The Roomba 105 is also designed for easy operation through the app. Users can schedule cleanings, customize room-by-room routines, or request targeted cleaning in specific areas. Because the robot can store weeks' worth of debris in the auto empty dock, it is ideal for busy homeowners or people who prefer a low-maintenance cleaning solution. With powerful suction, smart navigation, and long-term debris storage, the Roomba 105 offers a hands-free approach to everyday cleaning and is designed to work reliably on multiple types of flooring. Number 3. iRobot Roomba E5 5150 Robot Vacuum Wi-Fi Connected, works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, carpets, hard, self-charging robotic vacuum, black. The iRobot Roomba E5 is a dependable robot vacuum built to handle pet hair, carpets, and hard floors with strong suction and intelligent cleaning routines. Featuring Wi-Fi connectivity, it integrates easily with the mobile app and supports voice commands through Alexa. This model is especially effective for homes with pets because of its rubber brush system that resists tangles and maintains close contact with floors. The power lifting suction is designed to remove deep debris from carpets and capture dust and hair from hard surfaces. This allows the E5 to deliver consistent cleaning across multiple floor types throughout the home. The E5 is equipped with intelligent sensors that help it navigate around furniture, move along walls, and adjust to room shapes. It creates logical cleaning paths and adapts to the layout of each room. As it moves, it detects high dirt areas and automatically increases cleaning activity to remove concentrated debris. Its filtration system helps trap fine particles, making it suitable for households that need stronger dust control. Because the vacuum is self-charging, it returns to its dock when the battery is low, ensuring it is always ready for the next cleaning session. The combination of strong suction, smart navigation, and pet-friendly features makes the Roomba E5 a reliable choice for families, pet owners, and anyone who wants automated cleaning at an affordable level. It provides consistent, hands-free performance and requires minimal intervention during regular use. Number 4. Roborock CrevoS Robot Vacuum and Mop, Self-Drying, Auto Mop Washing, 7000 Pascal Suction, Self-Emptying and Refilling, 10 mm Auto Lifting, 200 revolutions per minute Spinning Mops, Smart Obstacle Avoidance, Black. The Roborock CrevoS is a high-performance robot vacuum and mop designed for homeowners looking for advanced automation, strong suction, and intelligent floor care. With 7000 Pascal suction power, the unit can lift dirt, large debris, and embedded dust from carpets and hard floors. This level of suction makes it effective for dense carpets and high-traffic areas. The self-emptying and refilling dock increases convenience by automatically handling dust disposal and water management. The robot returns to the dock to empty its dustbin and refill its water tank as needed. The dock also supports self-drying to help maintain mop pad quality over time. This reduces the need for manual washing and improves long-term hygiene. Smart Obstacle Avoidance allows the CrevoS to recognize and navigate around household objects with high accuracy. It can detect toys, cords, shoes, pet bowls, and similar items during cleaning. The CrevoS is built for larger homes and users who want a more complete automation experience. With strong suction, high-speed mop pad rotation, automatic lifting, and an intelligent dock, the vacuum can manage daily dirt, stains, and dust with minimal user involvement. The combination of vacuuming and deep scrubbing makes it suitable for hard flooring as well as carpeted areas. This model brings together powerful performance and convenience for homeowners who want a dependable cleaning system with minimal hands-on effort. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop, Y0110, easy to use, power lifting suction, vacuums and mops, multi-surface cleaning, smart navigation cleans in neat rows, self-charging, Alexa. The iRobot Roomba Combo Y0110 is designed for simple, effective cleaning that combines vacuuming and mopping in one compact system. The power lifting suction helps collect everyday debris from hard floors and carpets while maintaining steady performance across multi-surface areas. It transitions smoothly between wood, tile, carpet, and rugs without manual adjustments. The built-in mop adds light floor washing capability, making it a practical option for users who want a combined cleaning function for regular maintenance. Smart navigation helps the robot clean in neat rows, allowing it to cover spaces more evenly and avoid random movement patterns. This improves cleaning efficiency and ensures that the vacuum reaches more areas within the room. The unit is designed to be easy to use, with app-based controls that let users schedule routines, start or stop cleaning, or target specific areas. The system is compatible with Alexa for hands-free voice commands. This allows the user to activate cleaning without physically touching the vacuum. The Y0110 is self-charging and returns automatically to its dock when the battery is low. Once recharged, it can resume cleaning if the session was not completed. This feature is especially helpful for larger living spaces. The robot's brush system is designed to gather dirt, crumbs, hair, and dust from along edges and open floor areas. The mop component is suitable for light daily cleaning and helps maintain hard floors in between deeper scrubbing. Thanks for watching and exploring these top iRobot Roomba robot vacuums. If you found the video helpful, check out the product links in the description for the latest prices and details. Make sure to subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations made for shoppers across the USA. I will be back with more videos to help you find the best products for your home.